guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video po is gagawa tayo ng next challenge ni Miss RM Life na Chubby Bunny. Paramihan ng marshmallow na ilalagay natin sa ating bibig. Ito po yung gagamitin natin ng marshmallow, guys. 10. Gusto.
Oh, that's the one.
Kauna na ito. Dito po yung marshmallow lagi natin, guys. Ito po siya, guys. Kinuha niya na kasi. Kanina pa siya gusto manghingi ng marshmallow. 10 minutes po yung timer natin, guys. So, start na natin. Good luck to me. Ito siya, guys. Taki. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. 2 na yun, guys, to. 1 to. Chubby Bunny. 3. Chubby Bunny. 4. Chubby Bunny. 5. Nagkatawa ako. Chubby Bunny. 6. Chubby Bunny. 7. Chubby. Chubby Bunny. 8. Naku. Diyos ko, Lord. Hindi na ginaya, guys. Hanggang 8 lang yung nakaya natin na Chubby Bunny. Good luck to us. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.